What's going on, guys? Dan Cal here from Liquidation Pros, and you probably just watched a clip of maybe like a sped up version of what my yard sale setup looked like. Well, that's going to be a few days from now. I'm going to add that in when I edit this video, but this video is about how I set up for that yard sale. I also am going to be releasing another video, which will be linked down below, of how to make $1,000 on a yard sale. So that was my goal last year, and I did over that. And I followed 5 basic, easy tips to think about as you're planning a yard sale. This year, I'm only going to go for a $500, which is still pretty good in my back of my mind for half a day's worth of work. Now, I say half a day's worth of work because the sale itself will probably only be a half a day, but then I probably will have 6 to 8 hours of time involved in setting everything up. An hour or two of it is going to be tonight, which is Wednesday night. What is that? 4 days before the yard sale. So I am at my storage. It's basically a storage house, and this is where I house all of my flea market and yard sale inventory that's basically too cheap to go online, or it's just not worth shipping, and all this different stuff. As you can see, like, there's old stereos here. These actually still need to be tested. I have all this nice shelving. There's some TV mounts. This is all just miscellaneous home goods that I got from like liquidation.com that we've already gone through and priced. I have all this stuff is just boxes full of like yard sale and flea market. Like if you look over here, this is winter flea market. So I probably won't break that out right now. This is October. I mean, people are starting to buy jackets and stuff, but that means it's like heavier winter stuff. All this here is all winter that I bought back in the spring because I got it on like pennies for a dollar, basically 10 to 15% of retail. So I buy it and I store it, and then I'll break it out and get some money from it. But anyhow, one of the main things I need to come for, not only the inventory, but tables. So right there, you'll see I have 3 folding tables, and then I have 2 of these 6-foot tables, these old wooden ones. I'm hoping I can get those in my SUV sideways. So that there alone is it's an 8-foot folding table, 2 6-foot folding tables, and then 2 6-foot wooden tables. So 24, that's like 34 feet of table space. And then I also have 2 6-foot doors that are at my house that I flip up onto like trash cans. And the key to that is just trying to get as much stuff off the ground. It makes it easier for people to shop. They're not bending over. I will have box lots of stuff on the ground from the dig through as well. But mainly it makes it a little bit easier if things are out. And a lot of times what I'll do is I'll just take, say, one of these boxes here. Let me find one that's gonna slide out. So these are all full of inventory. It's like this stuff here is like some kid stuff, brand new, little drone thing, microphone, some baby toys. Some stuff's priced, some stuff's not. A lot of times I'll just take this box and it'll sit perfectly sideways on that table, and I'll stack them all up. This one here has some glasses here. I got some of these from a Costco lot. Did really well. There's a brand new belt in there. A pair of shoes. These were probably a little bit dirty or a little scuffed up, so they came in. This is all an older deal I got. I'll break out a few of these keyboards, but I won't take nowhere near what I have. Each time I take a couple. I mean, it's just packed full of stuff. So, it's fall time. This will probably do good. That's like a cauldron. That's perfect time for something like that. Somebody might want that to put their Halloween candy in. There's Captain Jake and their Neverland Pirates. It's already got a sticker for $5. And it's one of the pieces is loose, so somebody in there is probably missing a sword or something. What are these things? I can tell these are Amazon emoji Christmas. There's the Amazon sticker there. A couple tennis rackets. So anyhow, the point here isn't really to show you all the stuff I have. I was going to say the crap I have, but it's good high quality merchandise. The point isn't to show you all the stuff that I have. The point is to show you that, first of all, I have like a backlog of inventory to sell, but secondly, like, you have to have tables and have to be thinking about how you're going to put everything out. So that's like step number 1. After you've determined that you have enough inventory to even participate in a yard sale, it's not worth taking the time if you're only going to put $200 worth of stuff out and 50 to 100 of it sells. Like, is that worth 4 hours plus the setup? And maybe it is if you're, you know, enjoying being with family or teaching the kids how to sell stuff. That's all good. If I want to take the time out of like a Saturday, I would normally be working on my eBay business or Amazon. I want to make it worth my while. And one of the keys to it is getting rid of some of this inventory and recouping what I've paid for it. So anyhow, that's what I'm up to. There'll be some more videos when I get all this stuff back. It'll probably be on Friday. I'll be starting to set everything out, and I'll talk through how I lay it all out and what my thought process is. For now, I just kind of wanted to show you the main thing coming here was getting tables, and then whatever extra room I have in the SUV, I will fill with inventory. And I also brought one of those little like luggage carrier back, like hitch mount carrier things, so I'll strap some inventory on that too. So more to come to this video, but once again, just giving you a quick show of storage and tables.